We are writing SMART goals, looking at leaders in our field, and finding tutorials to follow to achieve our SMART goal. So how do we do that? The assignment is written out. You're being assessed on the what, so make sure you have the elements of the what, and you'll get full credit. Why do we do this? You can read about that. Where? The project tracking sheet. I'll show you that in a moment. Here's the how. Bing, 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 bing. Remember, the verbs tell you what to do, and they tell you where to do it. Okay, I did all uppercase in the columns in the tracking sheet on where you want to put that stuff. Okay, so that should be good, and I have examples for you to take a look at and so on and so forth. Resources, as we always do. Well, let's take a look at the project tracking sheet. Okay, let me switch over here. Okay, here's second period, for instance. Now, the example I put up here, badonk, is for School of Rock, but you get the idea. So Nancy Wilson, guitarist for the band Heart, did the song Barracuda, and she kind of came up with, her and the bandmates came up with it. Here's a really cool interview with her explaining stuff about the band and how she did what she did. So she's my leader in the field. I'm using tabs. This is guitar tabs on how to learn the notes and how to play it. So my SMART goal, is by October 12th, the end of our first session, as part of team number, and don't worry about that right now. I'll figure that out when I put you on a team, and I'll actually put those numbers in for you. As guitarist, because that's my role in School of Rock, I will learn the song Barracuda on guitar by following Marty's music tutorial and the tabs over here. Now, I could put Marty over here as well, but I decided just to place it in here for session 1. Okay, and let me make this a little bit wider. I copied the template for you all the way down, and this is true for all the classes. So we come over to film class, it's the same thing. And one other thing, pick your role. So in each class, so if you're in game design, come back over here, which role do you plan to take on for your team? Okay, this is gonna help me. I'm still making the teams, I need some more information from you. All the classes have this. Again, pick your role, put in the person who's smart, knows how to do your job, whether it's a level designer, cinematographer, etc. And then a tutorial you would like to follow to achieve your SMART goal. Okay, and again, every class has that. So there we go. Okay, let's make this a little bit longer for School of Rock. Now, so when we talk about SMART goal, let's go back to this. Now let's go down to the resources. I have a worksheet that's in front of you. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. So I guess I need to fix that link. All right, let's go back over here and history. I'm gonna go over here. Badonk. Wow, many failures. I was just there. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna do a SMART goal search. Oh, I guess I already had it there. Look at that. You're gonna watch this. This is so much fun. And of course, it takes forever to load. Holy cow. Okay, so SMART goal project. I want the worksheet. There we go. This is what's in front of you at the desk. And I will fix the link so you can see this. And on one side, you have this. And then on the other side, you have the example that I put in there. So I'm just going to close that for now. Okay, so that sheet, let me go back to that real quick because I think it's pretty cool. To write a SMART goal, if you write it backwards, or trams, so it's SMART backwards, get it? Start with the date, the relevant component, and if it's realistic and relevant, and so we as part of a team. And then, is it attainable? Yes, because you're going to follow tutorials. And then right here, is it measurable? We need something specific. Play the song, play a part of the song. You're filming a certain technique as cinematographer. You're going to do a certain thing with level design that you haven't done before, but it'll be obvious in the level design you do that you put that thing in there. You know what I'm saying? Color theory, something like that that you learned about. And it's for session 1 in this case, or whatever session it is. So I wrote this in here for you to write down things on the paper, but in this case, we're just using it as a template to look at. And you can go straight into the project tracking sheet and put the information in there, okay? Always with the end in mind. We set a clear goal up front, and then we know what we need to work on for the weeks of the session. Without this, the session's meaningless. Okay, let me be really clear. Until you have a SMART goal established, we can't start. And so I'll pull you off a team until you establish this, which I don't want to do, but again, it's meaningless to start until you have this clearly put out. So do this today and get it done, and then we can start our projects. All right, thanks for watching.